Little Star Rhymes. The rain is falling down. Splish, splash, splish, splash.
Lighten up, take me on the magic river.
Wow, look!
Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry,
The sun is finally
just
shining.
come share my
It is so
pillow
beautiful out here.
and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm never slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. Things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. Now right here, if you just need to cry, come love, share my pillow, and rain, rain, go away. Been some time since you fixed me. I'll never forget your time.
Into the sky we go.
I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. Crying on my pillow, rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away.
Pitter patter, raindrops fall. We love to splash and play with our umbrella tall.